Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Anyodoku Oluwasanjo. The name of my channel is Adra Homes 89. I'm here to let you know how you can remove a stocked excavator while working. When your excavator is being stocked, I will let you to know the steps you have to take to remove the excavator from the stocked environment while working. First of all, I'm a rector, I'm a civil engineer. I know how to use heavy earth moving equipment to work on the field of work. As you can see in this video, we have some heavy earth moving equipment with us in this video. We have excavator, we have a dozer, we have a dumper, and we have payloader on this field of work. On this field of work, we are trying to reclaim this area for civil construction activities. But as you can see, we have some decomposed granaries around this area. So we are trying to remove the palm shrubs, take level, and cut and fill that environment. As you can see, the dozer is doing that already. Now, while the excavator was working, there was a ditch excavated for a long time. He did not know it got stuck, that is the dumpers. It got stuck into the ditch. The ditch water has covered the ditch, so the excavator operator was not aware of where he was heading to. Unfortunately for us, the excavator operator and the excavator got stuck in the ditch. You can see in the video. I'll be very concise. You can see that is the excavator. Water has gone into the cabin. But when I got to the site, I let him know that he must not allow water to get into the engine cabin. So I told him he should raise the engine where the engine is located up so that water will not get into the engine. If water gets into the engine, it will be very difficult for us to rescue the excavator. You can see the first step we try to do is to make sure water does not enter into the engine cabin by using the excavator bucket to raise the back up. Then the second thing we had to do is to stabilize the environment where the excavator is being located. We used good sand to stabilize the environment where there is a waterlog around the excavator. By doing this, we are giving the excavator the room to move or to swing using the bucket to have strength, not to further sink. So you can see the dozer giving the excavator environment good sand to be able to absorb the water that will damage the electrical features or the mechanical features of the excavator. This is what we try to achieve first. So when this kind of thing happens to you on the site, on the field of work, please try not to be panicked. You have to think very well. The first thing you have to do is you stabilize the environment of the excavator with good sand so that further water will not come close to the excavator. The next step you have to do is, as you can see in this video, We are trying to make sure this work very well and stop further entering of water from other sources. This is, you will see it in the video. We have to bring another big excavator to make trench around the excavator so that no water will come in anymore. The good sand we have used to backfill the environment of the excavator will make the environment very strong. Can you see? The excavator is using its bucket to regain strength and to bring the back where the engine is being located up so that there will not be seeping in of water into the engine. Can you see? Can you see? Okay, I will leave you now to see the process whereby we are trying to remove the excavator. I will come back and tell you how we successfully remove this excavator from this mess. Welcome back, my viewer. As you can see, you see the white sand we are using to stabilize the excavator environment. We are almost done. We are almost done. The operator is now in the machine trying to spread this good sand around itself so that it can use the bucket to give itself the strength to be able to bring the engine cabin at the rear end of the excavator up so that there will not be water in the engine. You can see he's using his bucket to spread the white sand, the good sand, toward itself, towards the track. You can see that is what we are doing currently now. We are almost done. We are almost done. This excavator must be out. You can see water in the cabin already. To an extent at which the excavator operator cannot use its leg to put the leg properly. You can see the environment is almost fully stabilized. You can see now the big excavator will come and make that trench around, because we can't make trench with water around. We have to let the area fully stabilize. You can see the water, you see the level of the water that is entering the excavator initially is now reduced. Where the other big excavator has came and he has properly created trench around the excavator. You can see the excavator. You can see the environment of the excavator is now dry. We can see the track now. Before we can't see the track, but now we can see the track. You can see the procedure of removal is now ongoing. The two buckets has been meshed together, drawing the small and the stocked excavator out. You can see now the excavator is coming out. The excavator is coming out. It is almost done. The rescue mission is almost done. My viewers, this platform, I will be using it to show you some technical things on the field of work, and I will also be using it to educate you about some things that happen to me on the field of work daily. Thank you so much. Please like my video, share my video, comment and view my video. Subscribe to my channel, Adura Homes 89. Thank you, my beloved viewer. You can say the excavator is out. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is a successful mission. This is a very successful mission. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. Subscribe, share and like my video. Furthermore, in this video you'll be seeing how the trench now look like, how we successfully remove the excavator. Thank you. Bye.